Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I wanna talk about how to make money $0 to $100. This is something very simple thing here because we wanna talk about only $100. If you wanna earn only $100, you have to follow only simple things, not difficult. Okay, so before starting this video, if you are new on this channel, then also subscribe this channel to see more videos like this. So let's get started. Guys, first of all, you need to understand when you think about making money about $100. Okay, so this is very simple thing here. When you think, okay, then you have to understand you wanna make money on a offline mode or online mode. Okay, so if you understand online or offline, so online means digitally and offline means physically. Okay, so physically means you have to go somewhere and then you do something and you can make money. And if you are talking about online mode like Instagram, Facebook, and these are so many platforms and you can easily make money. So I want to talk about only digitally because there are something difficulties for offline mode. So now I am talking about online mode. Okay, so first of all, there are very simple thing here. These are most of the people are using this thing, that is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is very simple thing here, very simple strategy here, and you can easily find out a trustable platform like ClickBank and Impact.com. There are so many platforms you can easily find out on Google. Okay, so these are affiliate marketing platforms, so you can easily find out in products or services link. Okay, from ClickBank, very famous platform here for affiliate marketers. Okay, so if you want to start affiliate marketing, you choose one like ClickBank, Impact.com, and Rakuten. These are so many. Okay, so you can easily find out, then you find service or product on these platforms. So when you find products or services, first you choose your niche like finance, education, and fitness. These are so many niches. You can easily find out whatever your choice. Okay, so then you choose your niche and then you find your choice related services or products from these platforms. Okay, so when you find, if you have a link, affiliate marketing link from your for your is promoting your services or products, you easily promote that link on your social media platforms like if you have Facebook account, Instagram account, and also you have even you have a friend circle, you can easily share that link, and when your friends and your followers purchase something through your link, you can easily get commission. Okay, so how get you paid commission? Your platform, whatever you choose, easily automatically gives you. Okay, so I think you understand. So first, very simple thing here, you choose affiliate marketing platform and you select your niche like finance, education, and other whatever your choice. Okay, then copy your link for of your choice of your service or product and you promote that link. Very simple thing here. You don't do other things, easily these steps only, and you can easily earn money $0 to $100 simply. And this, it may be $1,000 and millions of dollars. Okay, so you don't worry, you only make money only $100, it may be $1,000 and millions of dollars. Okay, so you understand whatever I am saying you. So if you like this video, then like, share the video, also subscribe the channel to see more videos like this. So see you in my next video very soon.